Hello my dear friends! Welcome to Tiny Bespoke! Today, we would love to share our experience in buying Barbie vintage dolls and Barbie collector dolls at bargain price. Barbie dolls have been an iconic part of pop culture since their debut in March 1959. Over the decades, they've evolved not only in style and design, but also in their value as collectibles. The vintage Barbie doll market in particular has seen significant fluctuations, driven by factors such as rarity, condition, and historical significance. Auction websites are places where you can find rare and vintage Barbie dolls, such as eBay, Live Auctioneers, Invaluable.com, and Christie's. You seems impatient kitty. Today, I have an exciting new auction website to share with you, where you can find Barbie collectibles for amazing prices. Let's dive into MaxSold. MaxSold is an online auction platform that specializes in estate sales and downsizing auctions. What's incredible about MaxSold is that you can find a wide variety of items, including Barbie collectibles, often at prices that won't break the bank. I've seen some fantastic Barbie collectibles for under $10. For example, this 1996 romantic interlude Barbie was sold for only $6. The condition looks like new. She has a sweet face mold, typical among Barbie dolls manufactured in the 1990s. This black top scarlet dress Avon Barbie doll was also sold for only $7. Oh no! $7 for not only one doll but for two. There's another Victorian tea Barbie in the lot. I can't believe it. Here's another lot with 4 Barbies inside. It was sold for only $27.57. 1995 Sweet Valentine Barbie. Her look is as sweet as her name. $2,000 Timeless Silhouette Barbie. 1997 Hallmark Special Edition Fair Valentine Barbie. And 1996 Hallmark Special Edition Sentimental Valentine Barbie. This lot is of 4 Barbies with higher collection value, sold for only $130. 1996 Grecian Goddess. 1996 Chinese Empress. 1994 Egyptian Queen. 1996 French Lady. Oh my goddess, I have even bigger discoveries. This is a true vintage Barbie, from the 1960s. It was sold for $221 last year 2023, but the current market price for the same Barbie is from $500 to $1,500. This is Gold Label Barbie collection doll of Prince William and Princess Kate's grand wedding in 2011. It's mint in box, and sold for $265. Mint is an item that is in pristine, like new condition. The doll looks as if it just came out of the factory. Last but not least for today, Medusa Barbie. This doll was new in box, never opened, and was sold for only $360. Medusa Barbie is a gold label collector Barbie. Current market price is above $1,200. It was designed by Linda Kyo and released in 2008 as the first entry into the Greek Goddess series. She was produced in quantity of no more than 5,400 dolls. All the bids history I shared with you were in Canada last year. Last year, I also won a vintage Barbie on MaxSold. 1996 Coca-Cola Soda Fountain Sweetheart Doll. Barbie dressed in a beautiful white satin long gown with red polka dots. And finally, I won it for $34.75. Now I would like to show every details of this doll. Lovely face, crocheted red antique dress, collar adorned with red beadings, a Coca-Cola bottle on her left hand, and an umbrella on the right hand. This doll set provides its own doll stand. The famous 1907 advertisement shown here shows this popular American pastime, and it was the inspiration of this doll. If you are also interested in doll collection, how to bid on an auction website, or any other related tips, feel free to leave your comments. Here I have listed the Barbie label explanation for your reference. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow doll collectors. And don't forget to comment below if you've ever bought from MaxSold or any other auction websites. Also let me know if you want me to make videos on how to place a bid and win a bid. See you soon!